Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a common issue, large Word documents file size. This bulky file can be a real pain to send, upload and store. But don't worry, I have got some simple tricks to help you shrink those files down. First, let's talk about compressing pictures. Selecting a picture in your documents and you will see the picture format. Tap Appear. Click on Compress Picture and make sure the option to apply this to all picture is selected. You can also choose to delete cropped areas, but remember this is permanent. Next, let's adjust the image resolution. Go to File, then Option, and then Advanced, and find the image size and quality section. You can discard editing data to save space, but again, this is irreversible. Most importantly, lower the default resolution to 150 ppi or less. This will significantly reduce file size without noticeably impacting image quality. Finally, let's avoid embedding fonts. Embedded fonts make your documents more versatile, but they use increased file size. Go to File, Option, and uncheck the embedded fonts in the File option. By following these simple steps, you can dramatically reduce the size of your Word document and make them easier to manage. I hope this helps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.